Mustard. Lemon juice next.
Yeah.
What's up? Give me a cheese.
Chocolate
Cover
syrup.
it in chocolate.
That's not nasty.
That looks nasty. I don't want to do
Oh, that looks like nacho cheese.
Okay.
I'm tempted to eat that now.
One.
that. Hold on.
Oh, I'll eat that chocolate one minute.
Go.
Mm,
Okay.
this is so good.
Stop eating it. I'll stop eating the chocolate. Okay. Don't procrastinate.
Don't get on your clothes.
What's that mean?
She's trying.
Put it all in your mouth.
What's
One.
that
Ew, that's
You have to
nasty.
eat it.
3, go.
Go!
Hey, that looks like our car.
I'm gonna throw up.
Yeah, let's not make her eat that so she throws up because I'll throw up.
Oh.
She throws up.
Who wants to eat it?
Why do we have to do disgusting
Hey
things?
guys, who made the dinner?
That should be a rule. No disgusting things.
Her.
Aw.
Leah, you have to eat it now. You made the dinner.
Oh, if anybody throws up, I'll throw up, so you have to be careful.
Get over here.
I'm gonna throw up.
Okay, Josh, I'm gonna invite you to go far away.
We'll save it for
I'm
another
still
dinner.
videotaping
I'm
you.
inviting myself to go away.
That's a nice chip.
Eat the chip Emily ate.
Beautiful.
Are you up? I did that before.
Oh my gosh.
Oh
look.
wait, hand me this chip.
Okay, I take it off. I stopped videotaping, I think. No, I didn't. It's still going.
Hit the red button.
You can eat that one. Put chocolate on it and eat it like that, and without all the other stuff. I'm sure that'd be much better.
to do it with just chocolate. Let me go get me a chip.
I feel like I should go change and come back out because I'm very